and show you how to make fridge magnets. These are few magnets. This is a rabbit, a panda, a honeybee, and two birds flying in the beautiful sky. They all are attached with magnets. See? Today I am going to make a fish with toy clay. For that we will need toy clay, some magnets, brush, Acrylic Colors, and some special tools for design, and a sharp tool, and if you don't get, use a toothpick, Vaseline and pen caps. Before starting, apply some Vaseline to your hands and take proper quantity of clay, and the leftover close it back properly. See? So let's start. For the body you will need this much quantity of clay. So make an oval shape for its body. See? So you see, this is the body of the fish. So now let's make the mouth of the fish using this tool. Just poke the tool inside. Okay? You see? Okay. Now you have to make the division between the face and the body. Take a sharp tool, or you can use a toothpick also, and put some dots. You see? Do it double time so that it can be seen clearly. There you go, it's ready. Okay, now I'm going to make some designs with this cap, pen cap. Just press it on the clay. It's not that you should do it all circle, you can make it as a half so that it will not look odd. So now let's continue with our fish. Now it's time for our fish tail. So take out some clay for our fish tail. Roll it nicely for the shape. And now press at the sides, not at the center. Take the tool and apply some Vaseline nicely so that the clay does not stick to the tool. See? And press it very tightly. Apply some glue at the back and also at the tail. You see? So that it will stick nicely. And now stick it nicely. See, the half of the fish is done, but still 2 fins are left. 2 fins. So let's take some more clay. per fin. Make a round shape. See? Make a round shape. Press with your finger. And now take this tool and stick it over here. See? Almost ready. See? The fish too. Now let's stick this fin over here. Let's take brush, dip it and start our work. So I think you're liking it. I wish you like it. And thanks for seeing, This is my first time I'm doing. I don't know, I'm feeling very nervous actually. I'm not showing it out. Okay? Like this. That's it. And now we have to do the other fin. Type of triangular shape. Let's make it right now. First I made it circle. See? Make it of a circle. Just pull up like this. Okay? Doesn't matter if any crack type is there. If you paint it will go away. And now attach it over here. Now take this same tool again. Boring type, right? No new tool, simply showed so many. See? Press it and there you go. Here. Like this. Now your fish is almost ready, done with the clay. See? Now let's stick it off. Take the glue, stick it. Okay, there you go, your fish is ready. Now we are seeing the fish is ready. Now let it dry for 1 day. Next, let us paint. Even I am bored of it, Now I need some colors. If you want to do orange, you can do orange. If you want to do pink, you can do pink or blue or any color. Okay? So see, it should dry very nicely. It should become very hard like stone. Then only you can paint. So that it looks very nice. And it's nothing like you do only fish. You can do any shape, anyone, anything. This fish was my choice. Whatever is your choice, you can go and Google for pictures. When I Googled pictures, it's not easy. I loved it a lot. Suppose if you're not getting any colors, I can suggest some. Like, yellow, blue, it becomes green, red and blue, it becomes purple. It's all mixing of colors. I've learned it from my mom. I love my mom. You see, the spots are done. Now I'll do the face. Till the border. body, always take a very thin brush so that it does not spread anywhere else. So now I'm doing at the back. Let's complete it off. Then we'll be all done. Both sides are completely dry. See? Now it's time for orange, where we are going to paint for the tail and both fins. This won't take much paint. Very little paint. Googly eye. You see? Take this googly eye and stick over here. And our fish is ready. So see, you get these googly eye anywhere in very different types. See, small, big, anyway, any color, anywhere you want. Stationery. So right now, let us stick the googly eye. This is the googly eye which I am going to stick. So now, I am sticking a googly eye. If you don't like it, you can even paint. Either stick a googly eye or paint. I like this one. Look. Isn't it great? Now it's completely dry. It's time to stick the magnet. Okay? Add some glue to the magnet. Stick it nice, okay? Over here. And keep it for a while because it is very slippery. It may slip. Don't be in a hurry to stick to your fridge. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please like and subscribe if you love it, okay?